I'm Heather Miller. I'm the Executive General Manager for the Society for Animals in Distress. We have trained 14 animal health technicians to date, and currently we have spread our operational areas to the Free State and Staines Rus. We have been able to sustain the access to veterinary care in that area, and we're currently in Toes River in the Western Cape. This creates a massive opportunity to place animal health technicians, because the more people, the more places we can go. So currently the society on its own does 100,000 veterinary treatments, and our outreach has just increased that per year. It's a vital part of South Africa that we could drive the access to veterinary care, and through these animal health technicians we have the best possible way of dealing with the abuse that comes from lack of access to veterinary care and lack of education. As far as our donations are concerned, we are mainly supported by a very broad base of ordinary people on the street. So Different.org is an amazing platform to spread that word to people that we don't have the budget to market to. It's an amazing opportunity to build the platform for our animal health technicians. Different.org, and to your policyholders, the Society can't thank you enough. You have no idea how much of the world you're changing. We are deeply, deeply grateful for the support and for having us on your platform. It's a privilege.